Hey everyone, welcome back to Smoke and Grill with Will. Today we're making a simple and delicious chicken farfalle pasta with marinara sauce. Here I'm using thin sliced chicken breast for convenience, but you can also use regular chicken breast and slice it in half if that's what you prefer. Lightly spray your chicken with avocado oil and then season it with salt, pepper, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and Parmesan cheese. Flip it over and repeat it on the other side. Cook the chicken on the Blackstone or in a pan over low heat until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. While that was cooking, I brought 8 cups of water to a boil, and once boiling, add your farfalle pasta and cook for about 13 minutes or until it reaches your desired tenderness. While the pasta's cooking, slice the cooked chicken and set it aside. After about 13 minutes, your pasta should be done, so you'll drain the pasta, then add 1 jar of Rayo's homemade marinara sauce and mix well. Add the sliced chicken and combine everything until evenly cooked. And that's it, your pasta's ready to serve. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like and subscribe. Check out the rest of the channel for more simple, great tasting meals. Now let's give it a try.